Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing us exactly how you can make more than $6,000 publishing this simple coloring book on Amazon KDP. As a matter of fact, when I saw this, I couldn't believe it that someone is making this money for free. What I mean by free is that the guy is not running any ad and is making this money per month, making $200 per day. So I'll be showing us exactly how you can do this by publishing this simple coloring book on Amazon KDP. So when I saw this book yesterday, the BSR was around 1,138. But as I'm speaking to you right now, this book, the BSR has dropped to 860. 860. That means the demand for this book is skyrocketing and the competition is massively low. That means you can take your space, can take your profit without wasting time. So make sure you take this up right now. I'll be giving you everything you need to make this work for yourself. So make sure you watch this video to the end and comment for whatever stuff you want, and I'll make them available to you right away so that you too you can go make money from this topic. So I spotted this book that was yesterday, just like I told us, and when I saw it, the BSR was 1,138, but right now it is 860. Let me refresh whether the BSR has gone down again. So on refreshing this page, the BSR went up to 917. What that means is that people begin to hit in, and you have to take your own position as well, right? So let me show us how much this author is making, with this BSR. And the author is selling it at the rate of $7.99. $7.99. Look at it. And imagine you creating a book that just has how many pages? That has 110 pages, and you are making this massive money from Amazon KDP, right? In case you want to see how you can be knowing the BSR for whatever product that is listed on the Amazon platform, you can use the Chrome extension by name Productor for Mesh by Amazon. Productor for Mesh by Amazon. That is a Chrome extension I'm using that is showing me the BSR for this product and for so many other products that anytime I'm making research, I have the opportunity to see all of them. So if you want to be seeing the BSR and some other details of book, use that Chrome extension. It will help you a lot. So before I move to show us how much this author is earning per month, let me show us a sample. Let's see whether we'll be okay. We can see the sample of the work, and you can see, this is a title page, some other information. Very simple to design work. Look at the designs that are here. Glow Cosmetic. Look at this. Look at some of the stuff. Look at sample of the coloring pages that are on the book. So simple, and I'll be showing us exactly how to do something of this nature. So let me show us how much this book is making per day. So now that the BSR has increased to 917, let me enter it. When it was as at 860, this author was earning $6,153, and in a day he was earning $205. So now that it has increased to 917, let's calculate it. He is still making $199 and $5,955 per month. So in a month he is selling 2,269 copies of this book in a month, right? So I'll be showing us exactly how to do all of this. So the name of this coloring book, just as we see here, is Glow Cosmetic Coloring Book for Adult and Kid. Bold and easy, simple and big design for realization, featuring cosmetic items, makeup, and skincare products. Bold and easy coloring book. So all of these things are just way of emphasizing what the book is all about. So let's check the author central to see whether this author have other books, so that we can learn what this guy is doing and possibly position ourselves correctly. So you can see that this author knows what he's doing. This one is a stress relief coloring book, cute and groovy coloring book, little corner coloring book. You see, so these are all the kind of coloring books that this author have been writing and working on. And he's making a lot of money. Look at all his BSR. Imagine having 380 BSR, 780 BSR, 221 BSR. Account is raking in money massively. So I'll be showing us exactly how to do any of this coloring book that you really want to do for yourself and upload on the Amazon platform. So as you go through this page here, if any of the coloring book draws your attention and you want to work on, just comment on the comment section the type of coloring book that you want to work on, and I'll make a video on it so that you too you will learn how to do all of these things without wasting much time. So this is going to be a full tutorial. So the tools that we'll need for this to be actualized for us is what we'll be using: CapCut, FreePic, Tech Pencil Sketch, and Canva. So if you go to FreePic, I already did some research so that this video won't be too lengthy, right? So if you go to FreePic and you type lipstick, right? The reason why I'm doing this is because if you go and type cosmetic coloring, you will see a lot of stuff that borders around cosmetic. So it will be quite difficult for you to get exactly what you want. So all you have to do is to type in the different makeup tools. You understand, the different makeup tools, and I have a list of all the makeup tools that you will need here. So if you want me to send this to you, just comment on the comment section, say send me the makeup tools list, and I'll forward all of this to you. So I have up to 30 something of them here. I'll forward them to you so that you too can go through it and pick up the one that you want to create designs for, right? So if you go to free pick and you type in lipstick, you will see this design. And so in free pick, if you want to get the image that will give you the exact outline that will make up for a coloring book, make sure that you sort it, you sort all the images here to vector. You understand? Vector images are images that has outline and they are great for coloring book design. So I have sorted out to vector. So all the images that are displayed here are all vector images, right? All right. So if you see this image here, this one doesn't have a watermark, right? So if you want to download this, all you just have to do is to click on download, and you see free download. Ensure that you are downloading the JPG, right? Download this, and as soon as you have it downloaded, go to this website called pencilsketch.imageonline.co. And when you're on this website, all you just have to do is to upload the image that you have downloaded from FreePic. Upload it here. This is how you upload image. You upload it this way, and you allow it to upload. And as soon as you have it on the website this way, all you just have to do is to increase this pencil shadow to the middle, right? When you increase it to the middle, you click on what? Pencil sketch. So it says pencil sketching. So it will sketch this out for you and generate the outline accordingly. So now this is what we'll be using for our coloring pages, right? So you do this depending on the number of coloring pages you want to have. Like the other author here has 110 coloring pages. He has 110 coloring pages for that book. So you want to do something of that range, to have a competitive advantage in the market, right? So you will do that for yourself. So you'll be able to generate up to 10, let's say 100, 100 images, and you will now go and start creating the coloring pages. Or you can generate, let's say 50 images. So this is how you do that with free picks. So with free pick, you have gotten the image that you want. You go to pencil sketch, and from pencil sketch, you convert those vector image to outline. So after you have gotten the outline format, you will now use this image on Canva, right? So I'll be showing us another way we can generate high quality image, high resolution image using CapCut. So let's take this image that we have gotten here to Canva, and I will show us how to align them accordingly. So this is the image that we have gotten. So if you get to Canva, let me open Canva. So when you're on Canva, make sure that your custom page is around 8 by 8. Yeah, it will give you that square like set layout, square like layout. So let's say 8.8 by 8.8 inches. So you click on create design. So when it opens up, one thing you need to have at the back of your mind working with Canva, creating coloring pages, is that the first 4 pages are meant to be used for. The first page is your title page. The second page is this book belongs to page. The third page is how to use this coloring book. The fourth page is test your color, right? And then the fifth page is where you start creating your coloring pages. So what I will now have to do here is that I will add page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5. It is in page 5 that I will start designing my coloring pages. So this stuff that I've created here, all I just have to do is to drag it into Canva. And as soon as it appears here, I will click on it and have it on my Canva. And from here, I will start setting it up, to my taste, right? So I will remove this outline that is outside and then close it up this way and drag it a little so that it touches the border, right? So this is the extent to which I want my image to go. And as soon as I have this, I'll go on and bring in another image, right? So, but what you have to do is that the following page should be blank. After the page where your coloring object is, the next page after that page should be blank. And then the following page is the one you now put in the second image. So always have it at the back of your mind that the odd number is the one that has your image and the even number is the one that should be blank. Always have this principle at the back of your mind. And I'll be explaining that shortly. So let's go to CapCut and generate images that we'll be using. So I already did this with CapCut. And this is a prompt. I'll be giving us this prompt as well. I'll drop it in the description section so that you just go and copy it and use it for yourself. So the prompt here is what? Give me a lipstick coloring pages for keys. No grayscale, no color, full detail, but the design is simple, no darkened areas. So when I inserted this prompt and I click generate, it gave me this. So these are powerful images that I don't even need to go to pencil sketch to do anything. All I just have to do is to click on what? Download. And I'll have it downloaded. I download this one and also download this one, right? So I'll just go back to my Canva layout and start inserting all of these images. So let me delete this one and I'll go to my download and then bring in this image, right? Perfect. And the next page is blank. The following page, I will drag in the other image. I'll put this one here. The next page blank. The next page is where I will put the other image. So I'll also drag this one in. So you see how we are progressing. So just with one prompt, I was able to get different variation of coloring images that I can use for this coloring book, right? So all I just have to do is to drag this image, and as you are dragging, just be observant. As soon as you see that indicator line, you release it so that it doesn't go out of that margin. So you get it here as well. So we have it this way. So you can see that this image has background. this image has background. So how do we remove this background? So all we just have to do is to go to edit image, and when you go to edit image, click on adjust. So when you come to adjust, go to brightness and increase the brightness to 75. You see that immediately you do that, the background is gone, right? So I'll still go back there, and then I've increased the brightness to 75. The contrast, let me also increase it to 75 and see. So perfect. So you see that the image is okay now. So all I just have to do is to just adjust it, and as soon as I've gotten what I want, I know that I'm done with that, right? So you move to the next image and you do the same thing. You move to the next image and you do the same thing. Drag it to your desired levels and go to edit image, go to adjust, increase the brightness to 75, increase the contrast to 75, and instantly everything will align properly, right? So these are all the images that you'll be using for your work. Let me also expand this one. I don't want this video to be too lengthy, but I believe you already grasped the concept of this coloring page design. So let me also edit this one. Go to adjust, brightness 75, contrast 75. Perfect. So these are all the images I'll be using for this coloring page. But just because I want this video to be short, I'll be ending it here. But I'll be creating other images to make up for the 100 and something pages that I want this to be, right? So here are other prompts that I use, to get other beautiful designs for this. So if you want this prompt, just comment in the comment section and I'll forward it to you right away. And here's another prompt. Look at this one: funny cosmetic 2 coloring pages for kids. Funny cosmetic 2 coloring pages for kids, and it gave me this. And the other prompt is I have another prompt here. Let me see whether I can access it. Okay, let me close this since I'm done with it. All right, so here's another prompt. So this one is what? Cosmetic item coloring page for kids. No grayscale and all of that. So the same stuff, right? And I was able to get this. So if you're okay with this, all you just have to do is to download it and upscale. If you're using your smartphone, on CapCut, you will see a button that shows what? Upscale. And you're able to upscale this image, to a higher resolution. But if you're using laptop and you want to upscale an image that is like this, all you have to do is to go to this website called Tech Lagoon. Go to this website called Tech Lagoon, and on this website, you'll be able to upscale your image or make it look better, right? So I was able to bring in one image that I generated using CapCut, and the image wasn't looking too great. So I upscaled it using this website. So I will show us exactly how to do that. So let's say this image that we designed wasn't too great enough. All I just have to do is to drag the image to Tech Lagoon, and when I bring it in, what I will now do is that I will choose this option of smooth pen vector graphics, and then the pen pressure I will take it to the highest. The noise reduction I will leave it at 2, and I will click what? Convert. So when you click on convert, it will upscale this image somehow, remove all the noise that is on the background, and you have this. So all I just have to do is to click on what? Download. And when I download this, I'll go back to my Canva and insert this image. So that is how to do this step by step, and as a matter of fact, it's simple. It's something that you can do without wasting energy. So you see the image now. So this one, we don't have any reason to go to edit image, reduce the contrast and the brightness, right? So you see that the image is perfect now. So in a situation whereby you still want the background is too open, you want the background to be a little bit PC so that your readers can have something more to do on a particular page instead of just coloring this and move on. You can go to this website called Pixabay, and then you'll be able to get copyright free images. So all you just have to do is to click on, let's say, Mandala Art. So let me just, I want that page to be a little bit busy, right? So Mandala Art. So here's something like this. So all I just have to do is to click on this and then copy it, copy the image, come back to my stuff and paste it, right? So I have the image pasted there, but I want to make it as a background. So set as background. The reason why this one is not showing very well is because this one doesn't have a background. So let me remove this and bring in this image. Okay, perfect. So you have it this way now. So at least your readers have something to be busy around, not just the coloring page and all of that. So I will drag this to ensure that it covers every area of this work and all of that. But you have to be very mindful of this, because if you don't do it the right way, you will have issue with Amazon. They'll begin to tell you your bleed, your no bleed, add this to this, add this to that, and all of that. So it can be very stressful if you don't do it the right way, right? So this is it. At least you have something busy now. So your readers are coloring this side and they're also coloring this section of the work. So it makes the work look very busy and interesting to your readers. So as soon as you have gotten that, all you just have to do, you have gotten all the images that you want using CapCut, using FreePic, and you have been able to convert those vector images on FreePic to outline using pencil sketch, or you have been able to upscale the images you got from CapCut using Tech Lagoon. All you just have to do is to go to Canva and start designing your work. And just like I said, the first page is your title page, the second page is your this book belong to page, and then the next page should be your how to use this coloring book, and then the next page should be text color and all of that. So this how it look, this how you can design your this book belong to page, so that your readers will write their names here and all of that. So how to use this coloring book, you have the information here. you can pause this video and copy this and use for yourself. And then the text, your color here, this is a page, this is how it looks. You can copy this and you can even design all of this using Canva, without stressing yourself. So you now start placing all the images that constitute your coloring pages. So that blank section, this is the reason behind it. So I let my readers know that this page was left blank so that your paint from the previous page won't bleed on the next coloring page, right? So it makes the work look neat. So you can make that blank page black or you can leave it white. I normally make mine black so that any color that is staining the other end of the coloring page will be absorbed by this black background. So you do that, and as soon as you are done with your coloring page design, all you just have to do is to click on share. And when you click on share, you come to download, and you download the number of pages that you want, that you have designed, and you download it in PDF print. Download it as PDF print, and possibly you can put it in CMYK or RGB. Any of the option here is okay. If you're on a free mode of Canva Pro, you just have to download it as RGB. Everything will still come out well. And as soon as you have your manuscript ready, all you have to do is to go and design your cover design. So I have a video on my YouTube channel that covers how you can design a beautiful cover design for your work using AI. And as a matter of fact, if I'm to design this cover design for my work, I can replicate this very cover design that we have here. It's very simple doing that with Canva, because you want to have something that look very similar to what is working, right? So you want to be associated with something good. So make sure that your cover design is something nice and is relatable to your readers and all of that. So this one is a Glow Cosmetic Bold and Easy Coloring Book, and the design is self-explanatory. So the readers of this kind of book or the users of this product will understand what the author is talking about, and they'll be drawn to it immediately. They see it and all of that. So let me show you some videos that I have on my channel that will put you through on how to design beautiful cover design. If you come to my channel, Express Vast Publishing, you will see all the videos that I have here on how you can be a profitable KDP publisher. So I have videos across anything that you think you really want to do with Amazon KDP. I give you that guarantee. So there are videos on how to publish, how to format your work, how to design covers using AI, how to advertise your book, how to translate your book to other languages, and all of that. So make sure you check out those videos. And so if you come to this video, to this playlist, you will see all videos on book cover design. So just come here, check out the videos on book cover designs, and you'll be able to design a book cover for that coloring book that you are designing or that you are creating on Canva. Yeah, and as a matter of fact, I use Canva to design all my book covers, and it's very simple to do, right? So make sure you do that and have your work ready for publishing. And as soon as you are ready to publish your book, you're already a publisher, so you know how to fit in your keywords, correctly, so that you're able to rank and take advantage of the market. So if you want to understand how to do keyword research, you still have a video here that shows you how to do keyword research. So come and check out this playlist, and you see how you can do keyword research using free and paid tools. And as soon as your book is live and you think you want to run ad, you can come watch this video on how to do Amazon ad. So this is a complete Amazon ad course that will put you through on how to do a profitable Amazon ad without you losing money, as a matter of fact. So make sure you check it out and get started. If there is any other stuff you want to learn concerning KDP publishing, you can check out my channel or you can reach out to me, and I'll add you to my coaching and mentorship group so that you can learn all the concepts and become a profitable publisher as far as Amazon publishing is concerned. Let me go through some of the stuff that I already said. So the concept of this book is what? Cosmetic Coloring Book, and with this you can make up to $5,955 per month. The tools that we use here was Canva and CapCut, FreePic, Tech Lagoon, Pencil Sketch, right? So check it out. And then these are the prompts that we use. So if you want this prompt, just comment in the comment section and I will send these prompts to you. So you can use this prompt to generate the images that you want. And these are all the makeup tools and items, right? So if you want this as well, just comment in the comment section and say, I need this, and I will send it to you, right? So that you'll be able to get started without wasting time. And make sure that the first page of your coloring page is your title page. The second page is this book belong close page. The next page, which is the third page, is how to use this coloring book. The fourth page is your test, your color here page, and then your coloring page start from the page 5, and the page 6 is blank. Page 7 carries your coloring page. Page 8 is blank. Page 9 carry your coloring page. Page 10 is blank. So you do that until you get to the last page of your coloring page, and as soon as you're ready, you download it as PDF print, create your cover design, and go straight to Amazon and upload it and start making your money. So that is that for this video, and I believe you have learned a lot. So if you like this video, ensure you subscribe and also like, so that whenever I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified by YouTube, and you come and watch how to make money for yourself and experience that life of liberty that you have always dreamed of. So thank you, and God bless you.